Hey guys, what's going on? I had to grab my water. Forgot to get something to drink.
Trade up now, Euro USD.
Oh, let's go trade up now from Euro USD from our range bars right now. Let's see what's going on with that Euro USD. Yeah, it's got have an up signal there. 20 EMA is up, 50's up. Where's my? This is my 1100, isn't it? Where's my? It's my 200. Why the hell do I have it? It used to be yellow. And my 50. Okay, so that's moving up right now on Euro USD. Forex. Let's see here. Which one is the? I always forget. Left corner. Yeah, Euro USD here on the range bars right now. Now we did have a pullback, and it does show a continuation up. It looks like it's just breaking the higher high here. So we want to see if it's going to if it's going to give us a good signal here. The PSAR is on the bottom as well, so that's also a positive. Hey Panama, what's going on? American Monkey, what's up? Samantha Bees, what is happening? Sarah Ghost, welcome to the live. Goody, what's going on? The replacement 1971, welcome back to my live. I'm currently looking at Euro USD as a long position. Just got a sell now on Bitcoin as well on the range bars. So there we are getting a pull up on Euro USD. We'll see about getting just a little bit more confirmation on there. Let me make sure pull this up here on my trading view as well for double confirmation. That's on the 5 minute. What do I got going on here? Ah, okay. Let me get on the 5 minute. That would be better. The 20 is heading up towards the 200, so I am going to wait. I want to see if this thing is going to bounce off or not. You don't want to trade in between the 20 and the 200 because, like I said, it could just bounce off. Houston Astros, what's going on? Do you check currency? Are stocks and stocks? Is that what you mean? Yeah, I do check currencies. I check stocks as well. I do check cryptos as I'm doing this also. You should check out Kin in crypto. I only have so many cryptos that I do trade. I use TradeXN as my broker. They don't have Kin on it. I mean, I can look it up. But I'm currently kind of, well, I have a minute or two here before we'll see what this ends up doing. Let me pull up Kin for you. KIN. Crypto. Kin USD. On, Kin. On BitGet. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame's going sideways. If I pull out on this thing, it's had quite a downtrend. Like since like November, it's been downtrending, and now it's just going sideways. It's not really moving. I don't know if I would want to touch Kin at all right now, actually. You need to have some solid confirmation that it's moving up before I would touch it. Because right now, it's flat, dude. I wouldn't use it. As far as the information on, I don't know. I'm just looking at what I see on the stock. I mean, on Trading View right now. Ah, God, right. And pull it up for you really fast here. But as you can see, it's on the 1 hour chart. It's completely flat. Okay. You pull back, and I pull back all the way, and it's just been downtrending, 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 flat. I wouldn't put any money into this. Not right now. I mean, that's the history. That's been downtrending for a long time. Like down, 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 down. Hell no. Nope. Don't touch it. Find something else. So I am currently watching EUR USD right now. I do trade on the 5-minute time frame there, cloud dating. 1 minute, 5 minute, depends on what I am looking at. Gold, I trade on the 1 minute for sure. But I am trading EUR USD on 5 minute. I'm waiting to see here if it's going to break out past the 20. And see if this moves up some more before you think about buying it. PSAR is on the bottom, so that's good information. The 20's coming up top. The 20 should hopefully break through the 200, but we'll see if we get a bounce off of that before I do anything else. And I do use the range bars also for confirmation as well, just to see the direction of the market. It was showing an uptrend with a pullback and then a continuation up. And we do have a red bar there showing a pullback, which is what we're getting right now in the right-hand corner. But I need more than that. That is just one that I do use as well. Also has an audio as well in it. But I am looking at the EMAs. I got the 20 and the 200 EMA, the 50 as well. And then the PSAR. So I use multiple things here to trade with. No, I don't really do futures yet. It is something I'm looking to get into. I just haven't at the moment. Tradeovate.com is one platform I did look at. It is on TradingView. So you can use it on with TradingView, which is pretty cool. It does cost like $50 to open that broker, but then you can do demo on it as well as start trading live. So you can use both. Maybe something to check out if you do futures. Like I said, it's something I'm still brand new to. I always got a trade down now on the AUD USD on the range bars here as well, letting me know that it is dropping. And that's in the right hand corner here. You can see it was trending up. We got a reversal. And then we just got the audio saying that this is going down as well. So if you do like what you see, these are in the link in my bio to go to JST Discord, and that's where these are at. They are free to use. They don't cost you anything. You just need to register with your email and your name, and then you can use them. They have Forex, stocks, indices, and cryptos on here. So I have multiple things that you can use. So right now I am looking at EUR USD. It's looking to break above the 200 EMA, or it's going to go short, but we got to see what it's going to do. Hey Jeremy Beasley, what's going on? Or Bitcoin is peace. Is peace a shit? Is you peace and you like it? What is it you don't like about peace? I mean about Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin all the time. I absolutely like using it. I like trading gold as well. But Euro USD is just another Forex. I do teach risk management here on my live. You want to use just a small percent of your account. You never want to overdo it and blow it. It's always good to put stop loss in place as well to protect your account. At least have something in place. You know, if you want to not be too tight with it, that's on you. But definitely put something in place so you don't blow a whole account. I had a guy on the other day, and he said he blew his whole entire account on a trade. I think it's dumb. I mean, if you want to leave it back, do, you know, quarter or 10% or something, but put something in the way just in case. the banks or whatever smoke your account. At least you have a block and you can still trade again. So just my 2 cents, but I do advise it, and I always say that because I've blown an account myself. I'm not letting it happen again. In order to do that, I watch my risks. So yeah, margin is another one, right? Don't play margin. Again, you're playing with somebody else's money, so what was I looking for here? There it was. The leverage that is on TradeXN, it can go from 1 to 1 up to 1 to 500. So you do have leverage on here. I do use that, but again, I keep my percent 1 to 2% of when I make my trades, so I keep it low. We are using Euro USD right now. I'm watching it. It's kind of going sideways on the 5-minute chart, but we are moving up, which is what I was looking for. The PSAR did just flip, so now we're heading in the right direction here. Let's see if this thing is going to break the 200 EMA. Kind of want to hit against the wall and then jump in the wrong direction. I want to be sure what this is doing before I make any kind of a move here. Sing Lindo, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Lag your test sports center, what's up, man? Watching Euro USD right now, looking to see if we're going to break the 200 EMA. I am on the 5-minute chart.
Sell now, BTC USD.
We just got a sell now indicator on Bitcoin.
BTC USD.
We just had a really long trend here, so we just caught this reversal saying that to short the market. Is a perfect indication to jump on here. Let me, just to show you here while I'm waiting on Euro USD. 5-minute chart. See, it's been uptrending, uptrending, uptrending. Just got a reversal. We got a hammer, which is showing a reversal down as well. It may just continue, but that does show a reversal as well. So you could jump into this trade. I don't have a PSAR on it. Let's see. So that is still showing an uptrend right now, right at the moment. But the range bars are definitely showing a decline. So they are an indicator, but secondary. You always want to look at the range bars partly first here as well. And they are showing a downtrend. I just got an alert as well from TradingView on Bitcoin as well, saying the 20 and the 200 EMA did just cross also. Let's see. BTC, USD. They did just cross to the upside, so I would consider that a pullback. This is going to continue up. You want to stay with the flow. As this has been showing, we are continuing up here. The 20 and 200 did cross. So let's see if this will continue up. Add the 10 and 13 EMA to your chart, then look at it in the daily. Yeah, I use the 20 and the 200. I just stay in the smaller time frames, but I do appreciate the information. I do use the 50 as well. Where is my... I mean, everybody's got the way that they trade, right? But these are the ones I've come to really like. They do work out really well for me. GVM, what's going on? Nopi3891, what is happening? Welcome to my live. If you guys can, please punch that like button. It does help out my algorithm a lot. There's only 4 likes on there right now, so that's absolutely killing me. If you can hit it a couple of times with your thumbs there, absolutely would appreciate that while you're in here. Again, we're watching EUR USD right now. It is in an uptrend. The PSARs are on the bottom. The 20, the 50 are all showing an uptrend. It is starting to break through the 200 at the moment. We're waiting to see what this the 20 is going to do. I do need confirmation that it's going to break through. It is called a golden cross when they break through each other. It's usually a really good indication of a continued uptrend or downtrend, depending on which way we are going. So I'm going to wait a few more minutes here and see what it does. I can go out to the 15-minute, also showing the same thing. We are headed on the 15, so that's awesome information to see. 30-minute had crossed down earlier, but are going flat. So that PSARs are on the bottom, and we do have a green candle moving. So again, that could recross over on the 30-minute as well. Now we did get a bounce off on the hour, so that may trend for a while sideways. We will see how it goes. And then again, it may bounce off, and we will continue down. But right now, we're going to watch and see what happens here on the 1 and the 5-minute. We're still getting green candles with the tail bar underneath. So that is good news for us. Give just a few more minutes here and we're going to see what happens. Again, welcome to my live, you guys. Hey, thanks for hitting those likes. Absolutely do appreciate that. That does help me out a lot. I'm also using range bars here as well. Just another indicator to show me what the market's doing. We do have cryptos, indices, stocks. We just got AUD/USD indicator for, I think it was a trade up now. Yep, trade up now. So that is continuing. It did show a small pullback here, and that is continuing up as well. These are free to use. They don't cost anything. You can get them by going over to the link in my bio. You just go over to JST and you can pick them up for free. You just have to register with your email and your name. And then you can stream them. You don't have to download anything to get them. Again, these have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices on them. So you have 6 of the popular forex. I just got 2 indicators. Buy now, BTC USD. Again, so that is showing an up climb on Bitcoin. Like I just said a minute ago, we were getting indications. So we have had a continuous uptrend, a little bit of a pullback, and now it back continuing to climb here. I would like this to break right there, 23,480, before I'll jump into that, because now we're kind of going sideways, but I need more confirmation from that. So we'll see how it goes. But I am watching EUR/USD. That is the trade I'm looking for right now, so I'm going to stick with that one. We did just break above the 200 with our candles. Now I'm just waiting on the 20 to do the same, and then I'm going to look to jump into this trade. Anybody that's following along, welcome to the TikTok. I'm currently looking at EUR/USD right now on a 5-minute time frame. I also teach risk management. That when you jump into a trade, you only want to use 1 to 2% of your account when you're trading. Also, to always put a stop loss in place of some sort, just to protect your account. If you do it smartly, you're looking for a 1 to 3 risk ratio, so you want to keep it pretty close to your trade, or at least have it back far enough, that you don't really use stop losses, but you want to protect your account. At least keep it back far enough to protect it, so you don't blow your whole entire account all the way. Hey, familiar to them. What's going on? You can go to, if you want to withdraw, you go to this little man in the corner here, okay? And then just go down to, I always forget where it's at. Yeah, right there. It's third one down. It says withdraw. So once you're on withdrawal, I use USDC myself when I withdraw, okay? USDC ERC20, but it depends on where you're at. But I do use ERC20. You just click on that. That will give you the withdrawal wallet that you need to send it to crypto.com or whatever you need. What?
How do I... Because my friend Althea, she has an Android, and I'm trying to FaceTime with her on Google Meet with me and Jordan.
You're gonna have to wait. I'm doing this right now.
I know.
Okay. Is Mom sleeping?
No.
Go ask
She
her.
doesn't know about Google Meet.
You're gonna have to wait. Anyway, sorry about that. That is all you have to do in order to remove your money from TradeXN. Are you having any issues with that platform at all? If you do have questions too, you can email support at TradeXN. They will help you there as well. So we are getting the 20 EMA. It is facing up right now, which is awesome news, as well as the 50 EMA, and we are getting the PSARs that keep climbing as well. Oh, you're just new to the platform. You're just trying to figure out how to do stuff. You can go to links, the link in my bio. You can go to the Discord, JST. There is videos on how to do all that as well. How to put money on it, how to take money off, how to do trades, how to put stop losses, target prices, all that kind of stuff is in the is over at the Discord if you go to the training videos. So go check that out, okay? There's always somebody there to help you for sure. User 7418, what is up? Eric Pence, what's going on? I think I've seen you before. Welcome back to my live. EUR USD, we're really starting to look good here. We had a long downtrend on the 5-minute time frame, and we just broke through on the 200. I am waiting for the 20 to confirm that before I will jump into this trade. If I look at the 15-minute, it's doing the same exact thing, so that's awesome to see, right? And you got a sell now indicator on Bitcoin. It's kind of bouncing back and forth at a support line right now at the order blocks. So it may come back down, but it did cross the 20 and 200 EMA, so I do believe that's going to continue trending up. But it's going to have to break out of its at the box right now in order to do that. So right now I am trading EUR USD. I'm just looking at the higher time frames. It is moving up right now, so it's looking good to break the 200 EMA. I do trade on the lower time frames here, so we're almost there. I want to give a few more minutes here, and then I will jump into this, and we're going to see what it does. Hey, Angel Trump, I'm using TradeXN as the name of my platform. You can get it by going to the link in my bio, TradeXN, okay? Just click on the Linktree / Future Capital, and it'll get you over to all my links. I have one for TradeXN, also for JST, where you can get these range bars here as well. They are free to use. They don't cost anything. It's just another indicator that I use to help give me the direction of the market as well, along with the EMAs, the PSAR, all that kind of stuff. These move off points and not time, so that's one of the reasons I do like them, and then they're easy to read. You just have green and red, up and down. I mean, that's really it. If you want to get those, you just register for them. You go to the JST link in my bio. That will get you over to the Discord where you can register for them. Let's see. Daddy Mendy, can you go to WMT? Real quick. Walmart? That's what you're looking for? Let's see. Walmart. 5-minute time frame. You're looking good right now, but the 20 looks like it might cross back down over the 200 on the 5-minute. Let me back up though. So we're talking, that's the 1 hour. The 20 is underneath right now. It did cross a few days ago, looks like. But they're trending sideways, so I don't know. They are bouncing off of the order blocks here, so it may continue up, but I'm not really sure. Oh, 3-7. You're in calls from 317? Well, if you're saying from 317 to now, you are in a downtrend. So you're losing money at the moment because it did cross down after that date. So right now, yeah, unless you're shorting. If you're shorting, then you're good. You didn't specify your direction. Forex is looking really good right now. So we're getting real close to that 20 and the 200 EMA. I do really look at the two of those as a good confirmation of the market. And I have guessed before, and I've jumped into a trade early before those two cross, and then I was wrong. I don't want to be wrong on that, so we're going to wait. It's worth waiting. I would rather just wait a little while longer, not be impatient, and then get a good trade out of this. So we're going to see how this goes. EME2, what's going on? Welcome back to my life. How's it going? Hey, you guys, if you can, please hit that like button. It does help out my algorithm absolutely a lot. Please punch it a couple of times for me. I would appreciate that. It does help out my algorithm. Gets other people in here. I can talk to them about using risk management with their trades. You know, or you want to put a stop loss in to protect your whole account, just in case a trade goes wrong. Everybody trades different, you know, on where they want to put it. But I definitely advise to put one in place. Absolutely. You know, you want to do like a 1-to-3 risk ratio, 1-to-2 risk ratio, something like that. But definitely put one in place. And then, you know, don't risk your whole entire account. Don't gamble your account away. Treat it like a business. Use the 1-2% of your account just like a business does, right? A bank doesn't risk 100% of their account. And any business isn't going to do that either. Why? Because they don't want to lose their business and go bankrupt. You don't want to do the same thing with all your money. You use it, you work for it, protect it, right? It's your baby. Protect it. And you do that by using risk management. Always do that when you're trading. You can do that trading crypto, stocks, forex, indices. You can do it with all those by just taking care of your account. I am trading I'm watching EUR USD right now. Getting ready to break the 20 into the 200 EMA. We are getting some really strong candles right now as well. So it is looking good for a trade up for sure. So the 5-minute is looking fabulous. The 15-minute is just getting ready to look like it's heading the same way to break over. So it's awesome, awesome to see. Now we're almost there, and then I'm going to jump into this as long as it holds. Hey D Josh, what's going on? Tisero Man 1, what's up? Spanky71, thanks for following me. Absolutely do appreciate that.
Trade down now.
Is NAS a buy? Let's see. US 100 right now is going sideways on the day. We are in an uptrend right now. PSAR is in an uptrend right now as well. So not looking too shabby. It already did have its bounce. It's above the other support. So again, this isn't financial advice. This is just what I'm seeing here. So it's up to you to actually make that call. So don't come back to me because you made some crazy trade. But I am seeing an uptrend. The PSAR right now in the 1 minute is pulling back. It depends on how you're trading. Like you said, is it a buy? Was it a buy for what? Is it a buy on the 4 hour? Is it a buy short term? And what is it that you're looking for? Because again, I can only go off. I do scalping. You know, I do small trades. I don't do long term. So it depends on what you're looking at. On the 1 hour, it's sideways and it has a negative PSAR. So it might go down some more. But on the 5 minute, we are climbing right at the moment here. So it looks good for a potential buy. It's got plenty of room to grow. The next higher high is right here. So it's still got some room. The next one up above that is there. So you got room to grow. But I am looking at EUR USD. We are getting a little bit of a pullback right now, but so I'm trying to wait to see what happens with the 20, if it's going to bounce off, or if it's going to continue up there. Thank you for that information, D-Rosh. 1 hour time frame on US 100. That does help, right? I mean, otherwise, how am I supposed to know what you're talking about? Let's see, 1 hour time frame. Right now we have the PSAR with a pullback because it's showing. Let me go down to US 100. That's the bottom left corner, right? Yeah. And it had an uptrend with the down, continue up. It's starting to get a red bar to continue down there. So I cannot see this on my screen. All right, yeah, 100. Yeah, so showing the uptrend there, but the PSAR, so it might end up doing a reversal here. Just because we're getting that with the PSAR pushback, but that was because we were dropping. If it comes up a little bit more, it might flip and continue up. But right now, you're just going sideways. Supersize my homie, what is going on, partner? I'm watching EUR USD right now, waiting to see if the 20 and the 200 are going to cross, which it looks like it is about to. The candles are climbing right now, so I'm going to jump into this if it crosses. Last time I tried to jump into this early, and then it bounced, and then it went down, and I freaking lost money. We're not going to do that today. I need more confirmation. I talked to my mentor. He really helped me today. Gave me a lot of good information. So I'm taking what he says to heart here. And I'm just going to really watch my trades more. I need more confirmation on every single move that I do. I mean, right now it's looking really good right now. Even on the 1 minute, it's been good. It did flatten out some.
Now, BTC USD.
You just gotta sell now, BTC.
Now, BTC
Sell now, BTC. Again, that's twice. Good confirmation on that on the range bars. It looks like we are hitting. We must be hitting. Yeah. So let me back out here. I can't do it on this one. So we are right here. We do have higher resistance. Let's see, sitting. Come on, right in there. This is the other one. So we need to break out of that. Which again, we're watching the 20 to 200. They need to cross, and that will push that up. And then I'm gonna definitely jump into that. You're still shorting gold. Nice. Did you make your profit back? Hey Panda Man, what's going on, man? Thanks for joining my live. Hey, if you guys that are in the room here, can you please hit that the likes button? I would appreciate that. And we're at 1,000. But just a couple hits of your thumbs there, I would appreciate it. Thank you. It does help my algorithm out. You made 35 back. Hey, well, I know it's not ton, but it's something, right? I lost just about half of mine on that trade, the accidental trade I did the other day. And it auto closed on me. I don't know if I accidentally closed it when I was doing one of my trades or what. 'Cause I'm pretty sure I didn't have anything on that one, but oh well. You live, you learn, you freaking be careful, and you jump back into it, right? So that's what I'm doing. It looks like We are still moving up real slow here on EUR USD on the 1 minute. But I'm going to definitely need some more information here if it's going to jump. CGen001, what's up? Bad Boy 7254, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Thanks for following. Do appreciate that. I'm watching EUR USD right now. See if this is going to cross over the 200 EMA. I use the 20, the 50, and the 200 EMAs as well as PSARs when I do my trading. I also use range bars here as well. They have crypto stocks, forex, and indices. They do move off points and not time. They are off a streaming server, which you can get for free. They don't cost anything. It's one of the reasons that I do use them. These move off points, not time. I just got a trade now on USD JPY. This is one of the other indicators that you get from these range bars as well. So they only move when the market is moving. I'm watching EUR USD, which is the bottom left corner here. It is showing that we are in that uptrend, which I have been watching. We've got 6 others of the Forex. We've got 6 different stocks, 6 different indices, and 4 cryptos to show. We've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, LTC, and XRP on here. Is Bitcoin pumping right now? It is showing that we are in an uptrend with Bitcoin. It did have pullback. Right now it looks like it might be starting a little sideways trend, but that could just be just another pullback and it'll continue up. So at the moment I'll say yeah. I don't have it in front of me there though. Cryptographic, yeah, they are pretty cool. I do like using them. You can register for them. Just go to the link in my bio. Go to JST Discord. You can get them there for free. Discord is free. The range bars are free. And we do have training videos on how to use them as well. So you kind of know what you're doing before you start. So definitely check those out. And again, they're in the link in my bio. Waited for it to hit the highest high before dropping to 05 sell. Taking 5 then tolerant profit. Nice, brother. Fresco, you are welcome. Back to EUR USD on the 5-minute time frame here. We are just about to break the 20 and the 200 EMA. We're still heading in the right direction here. It has slowed down. We are getting some back pressure here now. They are consolidating. And this is exactly why right now I am watching what they're doing and I'm not jumping into a trade, because the 2200 cross, it's a big deal. So it could bounce off, and that's why I'm waiting, because I've tried this before. I do use TradingView as well when I'm watching my trades. As you can see here, I draw these boxes. And it's consolidating, so you can see that's what it's doing, right? I also have order blocks in here, and these are down below on the 5-minute, on the 1-minute chart. 5-minute chart is actually in. Oh no, those are both below. So, but we are sitting at another resistance line right here. So there's a lot of pressure right there trying to decide buyers and sellers. So we're going to see what it's going to do. But yeah, I do use TradingView as well. That is also in the link in my bio. If you click on it and end up purchasing one of the subscriptions to it, they are free with 3 indicators. But if you buy a subscription, use my link. I do get something for it to help with my subscription. So if you decide to do that, yeah, please use my link. That would be great. Outside of that, I just use them for free. They don't cost me anything for the couple of indicators that I use, but they do have some really cool perks if you do pay for them. So just my quick spiel on the on TradingView. But they got a ton of indicators on there you can check out. Really cool website. So we are getting really close here. It is kind of slowed down because we're going sideways. But we're going to sit here and wait and see what happens. See if we do get some up pressure. and get a breakout here. Dark Punk 13, thanks for following. Do appreciate that. JKK Eric, thanks for joining my TikTok. Do appreciate you. If you guys can, please hit that like button. It does help my algorithm out a lot. Might be able to teach people about using risk management when they trade. You know, using 1 to 2% of your account to treat it more like a business, you know, than a gamble. And then putting stop losses in place of some sort. You just want to put something, you know, in the back nine, something that's going to protect your account. You can make them really tight too, depends on how you want to play the game. The risk reward, like 1 to 3, is probably best. You know, you want to lose a little and gain a lot, right? So it all depends on how you're taught on how to do trading. 1 to 3 is definitely a good ratio to have when you're risking. Bob Shenanigans, what is going on? Welcome to my live. I'm currently watching EUR USD. I'm waiting for the 20 and the 200 to cross. Give me that golden cross that I'm looking for. Gold and GU are going up. Thank you, Supersize. Do appreciate that. We do have EUR USD just kind of like stalled out on me here. So I'm going to hang here for a few more minutes and then I'm going to jump into a different trade because I can't just sit here all day and wait. I got money to make. Let's see. XAU USD. You had to say that because I got to go look. Let's see. 5-minute chart. Gold is actually at a higher high right now. So it's going to have to break that on the 1 minute time frame here. See, 15-minute. Yeah, same thing. It's been in a good move. We'll see if it's going to break out and continue up or not. 30-minute, same. Yeah, it had a nice drop. Pullback, I would say, and it should be continuing up after that long drop that we've had. I would definitely say right now is probably a good time to get in, but I want a little bit more of a breakout here before I were to jump into gold. GBP USD, let me see if I have that on here. GBP USD, GBP USD, sure do. Bing bing. See, day chart, sideways pattern, 30 minutes, came down, sideways pattern, still, yeah, sideways small, moving up a little bit. It did break above this last higher high here, so that is good to see, but we are trending sideways on the 5-minute time frame. So you're going to want to have, if you're going to buy in, I would put it above these, above the current price there, and to see if it breaks out above it. Because, yeah, there's a lot of pressure right now on it, whichever way it's going to go. You can look at the prior, if you pulled back some there, right? You got your lower low right there. And you're currently sitting like at its higher high. The last one, though, was it's about back here. So you're right in between them right now. But I would put one up above or one below your higher high and your higher lows. See which way it breaks out for you. And that is on the 5-minute time frame. Back to EUR USD. So we're getting bounced back right now. And this is exactly why I waited. That's what I said. Let's see what it does. I want this 20 to break past this 200 or I'm not going to freaking touch it. And that's exactly right now. We're getting back pressure here. So we'll have to see what it does. The range bars. Also, again, these move off points, not time. right? So right now it is still showing the uptrend and a small reversal, but again, there's going sideways. So when you go sideways, you got to look at something else, and that's what I'm doing here. So the PSAR is showing up, the 50 EMA is up, the 20 EMA is up. The 200 though is coming down sideways, and the candles are showing sideways right now too. So you want to break out of that before you buy in. You want a good candle. Right now I don't have that. Why would I buy in? Miss Marie, what's going on? Oh, you're welcome for GBP there. Belt Stars, what is happening? Welcome to my live. Let's see. Gold is... It is climbing up here. It does need to break its higher high. For sure. So we got a little bit more to go on the 1 minute time frame. It's going to have to climb and break out of that and give me confirmation before I would jump into gold. So right now, 1 minute time frame, as you can see in the 1 minute time frame here, it is definitely at the top. We want to see if we're going to get that back pressure. PSAR is showing that we are climbing, but it's going to have to do a breakout here to show me that it really wants to move up, or I'm not going to touch it. Another Tesla guy. Hey, what's going on? I know I've seen you before. Breakout if what? It needs to break above this higher high. That's what I'm looking for right now. It's got to give me confirmation that it's going to go above this higher high, that the bulls are in control, right? Otherwise I buy it and it could just go down. I'm not going to touch it. It needs to show me that it can move above this. And then see if I can get a small pullback, see if it's going to pull back some and then break out from that. So that's what we're looking right now. The 5 minute time frame, same thing, is climbing, had a reversal, and it's going back up again. And if you pull back there some, we're still within that line. So it did drop and come back up, but it's going to have to go up for me to touch that at all. Makes sense, yes? EUR USD. It is just touching there. Okay, cool. I'm glad that relayed across. Cool. Looks like the 2200 EMAs are touching now, but it has completely slowed. I have no. I can't touch this being sideways. There's nothing to do right now. It's completely flat. It's getting some, well, on this it's better. It does have a little bit of a pullback here, which is fine after that long continuation. But we want to see this go up. I need to see these bullish candle to go to the upside here. So it's going to have to break above this higher high. It says it kind of bounced off here, so we're going to see what it does. User 2395, what's going on? Radio 1620, what is happening? Is that 1620 AM station? We are getting a pullback now on EUR USD. If we look at the range bars here, look, see there, we're up climbing. Now we get that reversal. I move it, what's going on? To the moon. That's what I was talking about here, right? So we've had the 50 EMA up, the 20 EMA up, the PSAR is showing up. We had the range bars showing up as well. But now we're getting a pullback. At the moment, we will see if it reverses. This 20 may bounce off this 200 and continue down. That's why I was waiting the last few minutes. I'm like, we're going to see what this does. Is it going to cross and give me that confirmation? Or is it going to bounce off and continue back down? We've had a downtrend for a while here. It's very possible we're just going to bounce off and continue down. Terrytopia. Yeah, his name is AKA PWC. I did get the range bars from him that I'm talking about right here. That's where I got them from. My style is a little bit different from his, but we both do talk about risk management. It is important, right? So I talk about using stop loss. I do talk about using the 1 to 2% of my account. It is important. Yeah, I know his hands are always moving. That's just how he is. I don't know. I haven't seen the need for it. I usually see people telling him to get his hand out of the freaking way. So being that I see that, why, like, okay, no hands in the way. Honestly, I'm not right-handed anyway. And so the way I have things set up, my hands would just be in the way. So anyway, yeah. That's funny though. White like rice. That's funny. I like your name. What indicators do I use? So I use a 50 EMA, a 200 EMA, a 20 EMA, the PSARs, which are these dots right here. And then I also use these range bars. So I use multiple things in order to get my indicators. I have Forex, stocks, cryptos, and indices that I get from these range bars here. They are free to use. They're in the link in my bio if you go to JST. They're on a streaming service. So you don't have to download anything to use them. They're free to use. Just go to the link in my bio, JST Discord, over there, and you can register for them. You just need an email and your name, and that's it. And we do have training videos on how to use them as well. But with all the confirmations that I use, so right now I'm on EUR USD, and we're up climbing, and now we showed a reversal, so we're seeing a red bar here. And when I go back to my candles, I am on the 5-minute time frame, and so we had this long uptrend, which you saw on the range bars, and now we're showing that red candle right now with these three, right? So that's what I'm looking at. I use order blocks, not order flows, but I do use order blocks to help give me that direction as well. And the order blocks are sitting down around 1828, so we are above that right now. Oh, why am I looking at XAU?
You need to get off. We've got a problem.
Okay. Hey guys, I gotta go. I will talk to you all later. I got a family issue. Have a nice day.